MailerLite is all about efficiency. With our tools, you can easily turn your campaigns and landing page designs into templates and use them over and over again to save time. Let me show you how to do it. First, let me note that creating templates is only available in the paid plans, so if you have a free plan, stick around and learn how to do it, but note that this option is not available in your plan. Now let me show you the My Template page. If you've never created a template before, this page will be blank, but generally you will have two types of templates, campaigns and landing pages. One way to create a template is by clicking on New Template. Let's give the template a name, choose a campaign or landing page, and click Save and Continue. And you can either start from scratch, which will take you to the drag and drop editor, or you can use one of the MailerLite templates as a design base for your template. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll start from scratch. And now, while we wait for the drag and drop editor to load, I'd like to show you another way to create a template. Back in the dashboard, let's click on Create, choose Campaign. I'm going to breeze through this process for those who already created campaigns with MailerLite, and for those who haven't, make sure to watch our tutorials on how to create a campaign. Now, the first page we see here is My Templates. If you don't have any templates on this page, it will be blank. The other tabs are Start from Scratch, Template Gallery, and Recent Emails, which is also a good starting point. Choose from your sent, drafts, or automation campaigns. So basically, if you already designed an email but didn't save it as a template, you could use this as your base for a new campaign. Now, no matter which option you choose here, you can save all as templates. So let's randomly choose one of my drafts, and we will end up in the drag and drop editor. So here you can make all the changes that you need and want. And now, no matter how we arrived at the drag and drop editor, when you click on Actions, you have the option to save this design as a template. Give it a name and click Save. This will automatically add this template to your My Template page. Here you can click Continue Editing and then Done Editing. And now, even if at this point I decide to abandon this campaign and go to my template page, the new template will be found in this section. You can preview it or edit it at any time, and the next time you create a campaign or an automation, you'll be able to use this template. So now the landing page template process is very similar to the campaign template process. Create template, give it a name, and choose the landing pages. Here you can only select from one of our MailerLite templates, but these are great design bases for all of the landing pages, and it will give you a good idea of what a landing page should look like. Let's select this design, and here we are back in the drag and drop editor. You can edit each one of these elements on your main landing page and your success page. Now, I'm going to skip the design process and go straight to this button, Save as Template. And once you click it, you'll be back at the My Template page. I highly recommend to take advantage of the My Template feature, as this will save you a whole lot of time when creating your marketing material. You'll never need to start from scratch and always be a few steps ahead of the game. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.